Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today, I'm going to be talking about Spider-Man Remastered versus Spider-Man Original. Now, Original came out like in 2018, right? And almost everyone played it. Original came out alongside with Spider-Man PS4. Marvel Spider-Man came out alongside with PS4, and yeah. Obviously, you have seen many videos and you guys know what that game is about. Now, let me tell you a bit about the differences that Remastered has brought into. So, in Remastered, they have added a few new animations for Spider-Man, like from when he's jumping off the ledge to when he's swinging to some dive actions. There's a lot of things that's different. Now, obviously, these are animations and it's like chance. I can't just make these animations happen, but I will try my best to. But as you know, Spider-Man has been one of the most amazing games people play still nowadays, and it is still keeping everyone busy. Then, in the Remastered, obviously, the graphics has been absolutely amazing. Like, if I take us down to the road, look at this graphics. I want you to go look at Spider-Man PS4, like the non-remastered version, and look at the road. You'll be able to notice the difference in graphics right away. And then, finally, we have the optimization. It's as good as always. There's no competition over there. So yeah, you do have a few, like some of the glitches that was available has been removed. There is no more glitches. And these animations, obviously, if you don't want to pay the premium, you don't have to. You can keep playing your original Spider-Man. But if you're someone like me who enjoys ray tracing, who enjoys this level of graphics in a video game, I would say pay the premium, get the game, because this is, in my opinion, absolutely worth it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.